Working around a railroad is dangerous. Railroad workers face the risks of suffering serious, life-altering injuries every day. Moreover, when exposed to toxic fumes or even invisible asbestos fibers day in, day out, workers can contract lung cancer or asbestos-induced mesothelioma. This law firm has practiced only injury law since 1985 and has earned over $100 million in jury verdicts and settlements. The 5-star Google reviews underscore the firm's strong track record of representing hundreds of railroad workers, including engineers, conductors, track maintenance, and shop workers. The firm does not accept every railroad case, but when your case is accepted, you can rest assured you get a rock-solid railroad injury lawyer fighting for you to maximize your recovery. Contact the law firm now so the attorneys can begin gathering necessary evidence immediately.